Hey, hello winners. How are you? This is your friend Suman. Welcome back to Move to Success. Today I will discuss about one common problem of communication skill. That is, our breathing gets heavier while we are delivering a speech on stage. Today I will provide you 4 effective solutions to it. Hey, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Hey, if you want to learn Spanish language in effective and easy manner, please check out the description box below. Actually friends, I have made a couple of slides for you to make you understand in better way on this topic. So let's go to my computer screen. So first we will look into the problem very deeply so that we can come up with a genuine solution. Well, when you go to gym for first time or you play a sports, after a long period of time your breathing gets heavier. Now the question is why? Because your body is not accustomed with the exercise or playing sports. Same thing happens when you go to deliver a speech on stage because you are getting nervous. As a sign of nervousness, our breathing gets heavier. So we can understand the problem. Now, what is the solution? Now, here comes the cool tricks that you can adapt to overcome this problem. My first trick is wear loose clothes so that we can feel comfortable on stage. My second tip is drink lot of water before your speech so that your nerves stay always calm and you will not feel heavier at all. As a add-on advantage, your throat will not get dry at all if you are drinking a lot of water before your speech. Now next tip is you should stand or sit with the right posture. If your posture is not right, your breathing becomes heavier. Fourth tip is you should not wait for punctuation to take a pause. Whenever you are not feeling comfortable, take a pause, then continue. Thus your breathing will be normal and you will get more time to think. So that's all for today friends. I will bring more interesting content for you. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you want to learn Spanish language very easily and effective manner, please check out the description box below. Thanks a lot friends. That's all for today.